This is a good way to do it yourself for rust removal on heavy scale and metals that aren't penetrated through. Otherwise, you just put a hole in it. So, check this out. And also, my God, is this satisfying. I mean, look at how quick it just... I'm not even using a lot of force, it's just the weight of the hammer. So, man, if you've got an application where it's similar to mine, do it. I thought I would need a sandblaster. I thought I would need all this crazy stuff. And this took virtually no time. In this 2-minute video, I almost complete the whole truck. Like, man, I'm so mad I didn't know or think to try this sooner because of how effective it was. All right, enjoy. And really wear safety glasses because this shit just flies every which way. And it's not the most fun when you don't wear safety glasses and get it in your eye. So, just saying. Sandblast without sandblasting. So, wear eye protection.